Hi, I'm Jonathan Eng, Technical Sales Representative at Bread Partners. Today I'm going to be making pretzel bagels. To make the pretzel bagel, I'm going to use our Bagel Most base, which is a 5% powdered base for making high-quality New York-style bagels. What makes a pretzel bagel unique is after the boiling, I'm going to submerge it for 30 seconds on each side in a 4% lye solution. After the bagels have soaked in the lye solution, I'm going to top them with coarse pretzel salt. For the full recipe, go to breadpartners.com. Now let's get started.